Oh, man, I needed that. Just got home a while ago, back from Spokane. It was like a three and a half hour drive. And I got home and I took a nap because I've been up since like 5:30, I think is when I left this morning. So I could be over there right when they open. So yeah, so I took a nap, made some food, feeling good. So let's go ahead and look at what we got. I'm still surprised I got all this in the Mazda, brought it home, but so let's go ahead and unload this car and all of this stuff, more importantly the hatch, fit all inside the Mazda. And I got everything I absolutely needed to fix every broken part on that car except for the hood. And I think I'm gonna order the hood next week and just have the wrecking yard ship it to me. That way I don't have to drive 3 hours there to get it and 3 hours back. So I'll order that next week. It's not my big concern. My biggest concern was getting this home, and we got it. So I got a new hatch with all the hardware. Got a new fender, bumper. Bless you. So I got a new bumper, and I got all of the bash bars and stuff that go under the bumper. I got a new headlight. I got a new tail light, a new grill, a new wiper bottle because somehow that got a hole punctured in it, and the new axle. So hopefully that'll take care of whatever problem is in that back passenger tire. I'll still have to go get an alignment and have that fourth tire checked to make sure that tire's not bent as well. But that should also cure any other problem that if that wheel was bent, then that means that inner axle was bent as well. So that should take care of that. Tomorrow I think I'm gonna run to Napa and get all the fluids changed for it, and change the oil. I need to get some gaskets, some new plugs, and I need to get a new battery. So slowly but surely. So yeah guys, I think I'm gonna end it here for today. I'm gonna do a couple things. I think I'm gonna end the video here, and we'll pick it up next time. Hope you guys are excited as I am for this build. Really can't wait to start doing the fun stuff on this, but first we gotta get it roadworthy. So please stay tuned for the next video. Should be coming out here shortly, right back to back. Like I said, I'm super excited to build this thing. I've always wanted it. One of my other favorite cars of all time for the SUV type, off-road type things, I should say. It's always been a huge favorite of mine. So I'm so stoked to have this, even though it is wrecked, but it gives me a chance to build it back up in my eyes and what I would want in an off-road SUV. So, plus it's good learning, starting basis, work out all the kinks, get a new chassis, make it even better. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And like always, please subscribe and we'll catch you in the next one.